In this video, we're going to learn how to solve this WASSCE or WAEC chemistry problems under metallic bonding. So guys, we have 9 repeated questions to practice with. In this video, let's get started. The first question I have here says, the metallic bond in magnesium is stronger than that in calcium because magnesium we have greater numbers of valence electrons, larger atomic size, lower melting point, smaller atomic size. So guys, the right answer to this question is that magnesium has smaller atomic size. So the right answer is option D. That's it for this question. The next question is this one. It says a finely divided form of a metal bonds more readily in air than the world formed because the world has smaller surface area, higher molar mass, protective oxide coating, different chemical properties. The right answer is option A, smaller surface area. Alright, so the next question of this one, it says in metallic solids the force of attraction are between the mobile valence electrons and the positively charged nuclear. Option B. The next question will be this one. It says positive ions in a sea of electrons are found in metallic bonds. Take note of this question, guys. The next question will be this one. It says in metallic solid the force of attraction is between the mobile valence electrons and the positively charged nuclear. I think I've already answered this question before. So the next question will be this one. It says what is responsible for metallic bonding? Attraction between the localized electrons and fixed positive lattice points cations in brackets. So guys, this is basically the answer to this question. It's not option B, it's not option C, it's not D. So guys, just take note of this particular question. This is what is responsible for metallic bond. This is option A. The next question will be this one. It says the presence of unpaired electrons in an atom of a d block element accounts for paramagnetism. Yes, the right answer is option A. The next question will be this one. It says which of the following metals has the strongest metallic bond? It will be this one that has the highest atomic number, which is potassium 19. So metallic property increases than the group. Alright, which has the strongest metallic bond? So metallic bonding basically increases than the group, guys. So that's it for this question, option D. The last question before I end this video with this one. It says what is responsible for metallic bond? I think I already answered this question. It will be attraction between the atomic nuclear and cloud of electrons. Okay, so this is responsible as well. Okay, so this basically can do problems involving metallic bonding for your WASSCE chemistry practice with 9 questions for this video. Hope you learned something interesting from the video. Let's go to the video here, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share and comment on this video. Let me know how you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I've talked about in this video, feel free to leave your question in the comment section below and I'll ensure to give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of the channel membership by clicking on the join button. So you'll be getting premium information that will help you to excel in your SNE exams like WASSCE and other SNE exams you'll be writing. Alright, so having done this, click on the next button and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.